Okay, Tim, take a look at the Hydra Aquarium Gravel Cleaner. Okay. So this is essentially the pump. So this is going to be working as a siphon, but we need some way of getting that water started. This is going to attach to the inlet, and then this is going to attach to the outlet. When you squeeze the trigger, you can kind of hear it in there. It is already starting to pump. So this is a nice little pump. So this is our inlet hose. We got a pretty good length on that. And then we got another one, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to attach these together, but we'll find out here in a minute. Okay. Yep. This is a connector. You can attach that here. Just like that. And then we can attach the other hose right there. Just like that. So now we got a much longer nozzle. So if you got a deep tank, now you got a long reach. And this is a little nozzle. It looks like it's a flex nozzle. That's pretty cool. So that can attach right onto the end. And then this is the exit hose. And we also got a little instruction manual here. So this is going to attach here. Okay. And so essentially we would drop this into our tank and give it a few pumps just to get that fluid going. And once it gets going, the gravity of the fluid coming out of the bottom is going to continue to pull the fluid coming out the top. So you just get it going, and then it just keeps on going. So that's the way a siphon works. You do need to have this a bit below the tank. I believe they say 19 inches. And if you want to, you can just leave that thing hanging there, and this clip will just attach to the hose. You can clip this onto whatever you want, so that way you can just take a seat and watch the thing drain. And then this, because it's a siphon, it's going to keep on draining. This is going to stop that. Just stick that on. When we press it in, see, it pinches that hose off, so that is going to stop the fluid. Now, there's another way to do it. You just pick up this end and lift it up, but that could make a mess, so this is a nicer option. So I got the hose in the bucket, and let's see how many pumps it takes to get this thing going. That's it. So it is now running all by itself. As long as I don't lift that out of the pool, then it's just going to keep on draining. So I could set it down if all I wanted to do is a fluid change, or I could fish around in here and try to get some of that junk that's in this tank. But yeah, that is a fantastic little tool. I love having the siphon hose where you can get it started and primed just by pressing a trigger. That is awesome. There we go. And that's another way of getting this thing stopped. That filled up that bucket just that quick. So that is a surprisingly fast-acting tool. I'm very happy with that. You can see just in that short bit of time, we already filled this entire bucket. So that is an awesome tool.